We understand most people have no idea all the steps that go into installing a long-lasting quality roof. So I'm going to run through the Veterans Construction installation process and how it differs from low bid Larry's, whose main concern is winning the job because he has the lowest price, hoping that that is all you care about. The first thing is pretty standard. Everyone has to get materials to your house. Once your roof is scheduled, we will call and confirm dates and times, and materials will be delivered by one of our suppliers, usually a day or two before your roof is scheduled to be installed. We also utilize mobile debris trailers that our crews bring with them the day they come to install your roof and are easily relocated during your roof installation. If you get other estimates, make sure you ask if they're using pull-behind trailers or if they're going to use a huge metal roll-off container that could damage your driveway and sit there for days before someone comes to pick it up. Once the crew arrives, the first step is to protect your landscaping and property. We have pride in the work we do and will treat your property as if it was our own. Covering landscaping and bushes is the first precaution to protect your property the best we can. Once your property is adequately protected, the crew will then begin to tear off your existing shingles, then inspect the wood decking for any soft areas that may need to be replaced, and that the roof surface is adequate for nailing. If we find any wood that needs replaced, your first 3 sheets of decking are free. This is usually adequate for most jobs and allows us to minimize any unforeseen or hidden costs. If you are getting other estimates, always ask how much plywood repair is going to cost on top of their low bid. The next step is underlayment. This is a critical product that is the most important barrier that keeps water out of your home. Now, ice and water shield is not code here in the Carolinas, but not putting it in the valleys creates a high risk of water penetration from ice dams and wind-driven rains, which is why we include ice and water shield in every valley to ensure your home is protected long term. Most contractors don't use it because it increases costs and they would rather be the lowest price in hope of getting more business by being cheap, which is why we call these contractors low bid Larrys. The other part of the underlayment is the deck covering. There are several types that we will explain the advantages and disadvantages of here in a few minutes. The next step that is critical for protecting your home is drip edge. It is essential to protect your fascia from rot and water. A low bid Larry won't include this step because he wants the lowest bid. So skipping out on drip edge could save money, but it could cause problems down the road. So if you get other estimates, make sure you ask them if they are including drip edge or if they're skipping it to cut costs. Before shingles can be installed, your roof edges need a special product called starter strip. It is a specifically designed strip to ensure that wind will not cause damage along the edges of your roof. This unfortunately is something low bid Larrys cut corners on. A lazy Larry will simply turn a shingle around and use it as the starter course. This creates a weak roof edge and can cause water problems in the future and risk wind damage. I'll explain later on a little bit more in detail. Next, shingles will start to be installed. In this process, a lot of accessories will also be changed. This includes box ventilation and pipe boots. There's a wide range of materials on the market, and we will go over the difference between the products that we install and the products a low bid Larry will install here in just a few minutes. The next thing that is essential in protecting your home long term is step flashing. This goes everywhere your roof meets a wall. Most low bid Larrys will simply reuse the old step flashing. This creates a sloppy and dangerous section of your roof, and the metal pieces are bent and have holes from previous nails. Our crews make sure all of your step flashing is replaced. Before you sign a contract with a low bid Larry, make sure you ask if he is reusing or if he is replacing your step flashing. If you have a chimney or brick, make sure you ask if new counter flashing and chimney flashing will be replaced. 99% out of 100 roofing contractors will simply reuse the old flashing unless someone asks them about it. It is an easy way for a low bid Larry to keep his estimate the lowest. If you have a chimney or brick flashing, all of the flashing will be replaced and not reused. Reused flashing might get you a lower price, but it can lead to a lot of headaches in the future. Once all of your shingles and accessories are installed, the last step is ridge cap. It is installed anywhere 2 elevations of your roof meet and covers the seam with a nice attractive covering. This is a point where low bid Larrys will try and cut costs for a lower bid, hoping that you won't know the difference between true ridge cap and cheap 3-tab shingles cut down to size. Next is the final cleanup of your property. The crew will be cleaning up all day, but the 1 or 2 guys on the ground won't be able to keep up with the guys on the roof. But we want it to look like we were never there and your roof magically changed itself. The last thing the crew will do is run a magnet over the yard to pick up loose nails. The last thing that will happen is our crew leader will do a final roof audit and complete a quality control checklist to make sure the roof is up to our standards and that nothing was missed or overlooked. Then, our Veterans Boards randomly selects roofs for audit and sends out a quality control inspector to ensure everything is up to Veterans Construction standards.
A Signature Select roofing system will help protect your home, enhance its curb appeal, and boost your property value.
The Atlas Signature Select system comes with a comprehensive lifetime warranty, meaning as long as you own your home, Atlas will stand by you. Not only that, but you can transfer that warranty to the second owner, adding even more value during the home sales process. Atlas will also cover all the tear-off and disposal costs of shingles under warranty, where other manufacturers won't. Atlas not only covers the material costs, but they cover labor as well. This is above and beyond the warranties that other shingle makers offer. Others only cover materials, and on top of that, they use a pro-rated system. With Atlas, their Signature Select warranty covers the entire replacement process if there is ever a problem. Atlas architectural shingles also have a 130-mile-an-hour wind warranty with only 4 nails. This is because of their sweet spot 1.5-inch enhanced nailing area and their one-of-a-kind double seal strip. Other shingle makers have complicated warranties that require special components that both of us know low bid Larry isn't using. So, an Atlas Signature Select roof is the only choice for a complete peace of mind. On top of the Atlas Signature Select lifetime warranty, Veterans Construction will match that lifetime warranty with our own lifetime workmanship warranty. We stand behind our work, and if there's ever a leak due to our workmanship, we will fix that leak at no cost. That gives you a double guarantee that can give you peace of mind when you choose Veterans Construction for your roofing project.
When you're getting a new roof, you're not just replacing the shingles. You need a complete roofing system for the perfect combination of beauty and protection. The Atlas Signature Select roofing system is a comprehensive program to give you peace of mind to cover what matters most. With products designed to work together, you're choosing a new roof with enhanced coverage and protection for your investment.